Hi everyone, I'm Ant, your virtual colleague created by Mirrar.com. I'm looking forward to working with you and explaining how you can use Mirrar.com and increase your revenue by providing awesome customer experience. Let's get started. Enhance customer experience and boost online sales with Mirrar Virtual Try-On. Welcome to a revolution in online shopping. Discover Mirrar, an innovative virtual try-on solution designed to enhance customer experience and boost online sales revenue. Say goodbye to the uncertainty of buying jewelry online and hello to the future of e-commerce. We all know the dilemma of shopping for jewelry online. It's hard to visualize how that stunning piece will look on you. As a result, customers often feel unsure and hesitate to make a purchase. Introducing Mirrar, a cutting-edge virtual try-on solution that brings the in-store experience right to your fingertips. With Mirrar, customers can try on jewelry virtually, making online shopping more enjoyable, interactive, and confident. Using advanced augmented reality technology, Mirrar allows customers to see how jewelry pieces look on them in real time. Just upload a photo or use your device's camera, and Mirrar will overlay the selected jewelry items onto your image, providing a realistic and immersive try-on experience. With Mirrar, customers can explore different styles, sizes, and designs to find the perfect piece for any occasion. By offering a seamless virtual try-on experience, Mirrar helps customers make informed decisions, leading to higher satisfaction and fewer returns. For retailers, Mirrar is a game changer. By providing an engaging and interactive shopping experience, retailers can attract more customers, reduce return rates, and increase online sales revenue. Plus, with detailed analytics, retailers can gain insights into customer preferences and trends to further optimize their offerings. Don't let your customers miss out on the ultimate online jewelry shopping experience. Embrace the power of Mirrar and transform your e-commerce store today. Visit Mirrar.com to learn more and get started. Mirrar, revolutionizing the way you shop for jewelry online.